हेलो फ्रेंड्स, माय नेम इज अनिसिना। आज इस वीडियो में हम नर्वस सिस्टम के बारे में जानेंगे। व्हाट इज नर्वस सिस्टम? नर्वस सिस्टम इज कॉम्प्लेक्स नेटवर्क ऑफ नर्व्स. Nervous system nerves carry messages from to the brain to the other parts of the body. नर्वस सिस्टम को इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए उसे टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम एंड पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम. पहले बात करते हैं सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम की. व्हाट इज सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम? सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम इंक्लूड्स आवर ब्रेन एंड द स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. पहले बात करते हैं ब्रेन की. व्हाट इज ब्रेन? ब्रेन इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी. ब्रेन, डू यू नो फ्रेंड्स, our brain is made up of more than 100 billion nerves. Brain is protected by the skull, but it has an additional protection in the form of sac and fluid. ब्रेन को भी इजीली अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए उसे थ्री पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फोर ब्रेन, मिड ब्रेन एंड हाइंड ब्रेन. पहले बात करते हैं फोर ब्रेन की. व्हाट इज फोर ब्रेन? फोर ब्रेन इज द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन. फोर ब्रेन इज द पार्ट ऑफ द ब्रेन दैट लुक्स लाइक द वॉलनट एंड इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द सेरिब्रम. When it is divided into two halves, the right half and the left half. The right half controls our left muscles of our body, and the left half controls the right muscles of our body. In thinking, when we are more creative or when we are imagining something, our right brain is more active than the left brain. And when we are solving any mathematical, logical, analytical, any problems, when we are solving with them, the left brain is more active than the right brain. Functions of forebrain: thinking, movement of muscles and controlling emotions. अब बात करते हैं मिड ब्रेन की. What is midbrain? Midbrain is located under the forebrain. It is much smaller than the forebrain, and it is the smallest part of the brain because when a baby born, the forebrain grows and make a walnut shape that looks like a brain, and it covers the midbrain. When we are our mother's tummy, our brain is look like a eel. Then when we grows in our mother's tummy only, grows, the forebrain grows and it covers the midbrain. Then it become a walnut shape. Then we are born, then our brain is almost done, is approximately complete. That's why our midbrain is the smallest part of the brain. The midbrain is a master coordinator of our brain. The nerves carry messages. The messages goes in and out through the midbrain. The messages goes to the brain, then goes to the brain to the brain, then it goes to the spinal cord, and then the action does. So it does in a more than the speed of lightning speed. Functions of midbrain. Function of midbrain: hand-eye coordination and depth perception. अब बात करते हैं हम hind brain की. Hind brain is located in the back end of the forebrain. mm, mm, hindbrain is also called the cerebellum. The cerebellum, the hindbrain controls all is responsible for speaking. The words we listen, it stores in the cerebellum, and when we have to reply, that's the hindbrain tells what we have to say. So in walking straight, balancing or walking straight is also maintained by the hindbrain. Functions of hindbrain: walking straight, speaking, maintaining balance. अब हम बात करते हैं स्पाइनल कॉर्ड की. What is spinal cord? Spinal cord is shaped like a long, thin tube starting from the end of the back of the brain stem till continuously down to the below of the spine. So, spinal cord is made up of nerve tissues. The nerve tissue is also called the spinal nerves. The spinal cord helps in the reflex action. When we are, for example, when we are touching a clipboard, when we are touching a football, we feel, so the message goes to the brain first, then to the spinal cord through the midbrain. The message goes to the spinal cord, and we can say that is a football. But when we touch an electricity object, like the electricity board, when we touch it, we get a small shock. So it doesn't goes to it goes little bit faster. Then the message goes to the brain. It goes little bit faster to the spinal cord for reflex action. Then we say it is a electricity. So our spinal cord helps in the reflex action. When a ball coming, we have to bend, or we have to get a side. When a ball is coming, that is another example for the reflex action. अब हम बात करते हैं पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम की. पेरिफेरल नर्वस सिस्टम it includes all the body nerves that lies outside the brain and the spinal cord. So, peripheral nervous system, the nerves carry messages from the central nervous system to the body, give the message to the body, and that we do a work. The peripheral nervous system is a nervous system of nerves that gives messages. When we are doing anything, we get message in our brain that little bit quickly. And the spinal cord, our central nervous system getting the message, and he is replying the what to do with it. Then we do it. It is very fast, almost more faster than the lightning speed. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.